Welcome to Rico Farm. So this is the farm place that I'm going to put the farm for the 1000 rabbits. So yesterday I made this bridge here, this slab, so that the car can drive and pass and bring the material to this side. So it rained heavily. You can see we actually use like two bags of cement. So these are the cements we have used. There's water which is flowing that side, but we need to create a diversion from this side to this side. So that's what we're going to work on. But basically, for now, that's what I'm working on. Hope everything's gonna be okay during this one. Yeah, hello, I'm good. I see the wall fence wants to fall this side. Alright, so it's actually a nice thing to do, but yeah, it's kind of like, it's nice to see the effort you've put. So I think this costed me about costed me plus labor around 100 euros to just put this bridge. But I'm going to make sure that the project goes on well, because I'm going to have 1000 rabbits in this project here. So this is going to be the Rico farm, and once I'm done with this, I'll only remaining with the constructions of the 2 apartments. Then I think that's enough for now. Yeah, but I guess a car can really drive very well. Car can drive very well. I have to give it a week for it to dry. Yeah, but it costed me around $400 to make this bridge. So and I can tell you, you can pass with confidence. Even a car can drive there when it has dried. So that's the bridge, that's the neighborhood, that's the place I'm going to put the restaurant. My biggest problem is food. If I get someone who cooks for me food, then I think part of my biggest challenge is solved. So these are the blocks that we are going to use for putting the perimeter wall and the gate. So I don't know how much the gate will slide, but we'll see. We'll see. But this is what you're going to use for putting the gate. I think from around there up to around here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we'll have the gate probably in the center. Yeah, since now might be forced, the restaurant would be a little bit bigger, so just have a gate that opens in. It won't be a sliding gate. Yeah, so there's no sliding gate in this project, so I have to just have 2 gates and then lock it. I'm going to have a gate like that. So these are my neighbors, these are my neighbors. Yeah, so I'm only waiting for this maze to get done. In fact, one of the reasons why this project has delayed for setting up our 1000 rabbit farm. This is going to be for rabbit poultry mainly. Yeah, this is going to be for the rabbits poultry, and I'll put some structure there where I will also be able to stay here. So I'm going to have the restaurant in that spot, and then there's now enough space here for the materials. I won't start pouring the materials from this. This should be enough space for putting all the materials. From here up to the other side should be enough space. for putting the materials. So once I'm done putting the materials, I would start building the other restaurant. And once I get done with constructing the restaurant, I think I'll get done by 15th. Yeah, but at least I have some materials here on site, which is a good sign. Well, alright, so let's go and pay for the water bills we used yesterday for the work. These are the maize which are actually taking long. Yeah. These are the problem I was just talking about, you see. We are still pouring this stuff. That I don't want people to pour this on this property. I just don't want. Then from here I'm going to put a perimeter wall from here up to there. Actually, this part here will be enough for me to have this project. Kale, eno ngenda jijayo naye si leero. Leero sigenda kola. Alright, so I've not done paying for the water we used yesterday, so at least now no one is demanding me for water. But these are things I am talking about. I know I have to leave some space for this wall, okay? But I just don't like this food funny stuff here. So it's kind of crazy to deal with the community, but this is the same community I'm going to stay with them. So yeah, but so far so good. The house will be the other side. I have enough space. By the complete, I have enough space. If I want a sliding gate, I'll just put here. Then I'll still have a sliding gate. You can see drive. Yeah. Yeah. The rabbit thing is just going to be here. From here up the other side. Here up the other side. That's why I'm going to have the rabbit farm. Yeah. So it's interesting to see how I'm investing the money. In fact, I'm not even wasting the money. Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually not wasting the money. So I guess from around there up to here. Yeah. From there up to here. All of this part is a store. Up to this part where I'm standing. So it's just going to be a very big space. This is going to be a very big space. So if I get done with this part here, there, that's saved. So no sliding gate, that's confirmed. And then get done with the project. It could slide, but may not. It's not. No sliding gate. Just there. The rabbit thing starts from there. All that corner. So all that corner from there. I'll start from there out to the other side for the rabbits. For now. Yeah. As I'm working on the other part of the wall. So it's not easy, but I guess I'm going to get done with it. Guys, like the video. I know my ideas just, when you're trying to do something, ideas keep popping in here and there. Yeah. So the blocks are okay. We're going to just going to get someone to help us now dig the way. Huh? Dig the way. Okay, so I guess that's okay for now. Let this dry. Yeah, see you on the next one. This is what you will do this year.